It's Friday Souls. It's Friday Souls. What you gonna make? If you want to see what I made this week in my sewing room, please stay tuned. Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by. So we have a lot going on today. First, let's say thank you to Jen and Jen Sewing Room of Today in Jen Sewing Room for creating a platform. If this is your first time here, my name is Shalisa and you have tuned in to Sew She Designs. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so glad to have you guys. So let's get started. One of the things that I've done so far is I've completed one of my Make 9. And I'm going to take a picture of it because I'm going to show you. I do mine in more of a, I don't know if you can see it back there. I do mine in more of a vision board style, so I can, just visually scan across it. So I can visually scan across it more so than just seeing the words up there. This is how I learn. But one of the things on it is to complete a leather purse. I need to put one for January on there because I did do that. So let's write that in together. I did that last month. All right, because I have a little spot where I write the date. So we're gonna I finished that in January. And I just wanted to show you guys I tried working with leather. I'm proud of myself. Now, if you haven't been following me, you don't know, but I work in an upholstery shop and I work with a couple of people who have been sewing for ages. And one of the guys, he is I think he's ex-military, and then he started his own upholstery shop. Now he's working with us. He was there when I got there, but he works there now. And but he's work with leather. So he's my go-to guy when I need to know about leather. So what I did was I didn't use the industrial because the industrial, it really is loud. I thought I was gonna be able to handle it, but I'm not. So I'm going to get that servo motor. I'm going to get that servo motor put on there really soon. I got to get the motor. It's not as much as I thought it was going to be. So that's probably going to be coming up within the next couple of months. So I can start using my industrial, especially when it comes to making my bags. I think they just fly off the handle with the industrial. But I do have a what they consider to be a semi-industrial machine. It is the Brother PQ1500SL. And that is what I use to make this leather bag. So I'm going to show you my bag. Now, before y'all see it, it's not the best, but I'm proud. So here's my bag. My mentor said I did good. One of the things that he said I need to do is lengthen my stitches, which is fine. But I like it. I'm proud of my little bag. It's small. This is not since it's so small, I won't carry it. And then I made the straps too wide to carry all the time. But I like it. And I lined the inside with this corduroy. We had this is some remnants that we had left over from a chair that they did in the shop. So I grabbed the remnants. I always grab the remnants. I got a problem. But let me take this out. I grabbed the remnants and of the corduroy and made the lining. I love this green and leather together. Even the leather is remnants from the shop. It's like literally, I might have a couple of pieces left they're over there, but the pieces that are left, like I may be able to get a wallet out of it. I don't know, but I'm proud of it. But it's so small, but it's perfect for this. This is my tablet. So this is my new tablet bag, guys, and I'm happy. I like it. This week I also had a hand in making a bag that was inspired by the Mr. Telfar Clemens, who I did my Black History video on this past Wednesday. So if you hadn't had a chance to check it out, please go and check it out. I will link it in the description below. But if you haven't seen that bag, I wanted to show you. This is what this is made out of vinyl. These are the straps, and I go into more detail about this bag, but it's my little football bag. In the football is a zipper, and in the inside is lined with a football team, and it has a slip pocket and a snap closure. So that was this cute little bag too that I'm going to be carrying for a little while. I picked up a couple of patterns that that were on my list. Now my JoAnn did not have. Did they have? They didn't have any new Butterick out. They did have the new Vogue out. And from my understanding, the new Vogue 2000 is not going to be in stores. I could be wrong, but I don't think that one is going to be in stores. So I'm waiting to see if it go on sale, because I want to have that, because I collect patterns, and I feel like that's going to be a collector's item. So I am waiting for. I wanted to go lower than $25. The lowest it's been so far is $25. So I've been watching the website to see if it go on sale. But anyway, I digress. I picked up the patterns that I could find. So we will start with Butterick. This is and I haven't showed y'all my dog yet. He's so cute. But this pattern is for my dog, because I don't know if you remember, I need to make him some new clothes, because the clothes that he have on has a stain that we couldn't get out. So I purchased this. This is just a infant, and I do have a new grandbaby, but she has so many clothes already. But I just purchased that so I can make probably what the baby is wearing for him, and a little hat. That was Butterick 6970. I picked up this because I thought this was really cute, and this reminds me of a new look pattern, and I'll put that pattern up here that I made. And if the pieces are the same, that's gonna be lovely. But the new look pattern has this shirt. I just saw this, guys, while I'm trying to show you. But the new look pattern has this shirt. See? Yeah. That's cool. And they put it on in a dress. I didn't even think, if I had looked at this closer, I would not have bought this pattern, because I have this, and I could have just extended it and made it into a dress. Never dawned on me. I did it. I extended this shirt into the dress that I'm wearing, and it never dawned on me to extend that shirt into a dress. Oh my goodness. But that's exactly what this is. If I think of the new look pattern, I'll put it up so you guys can see. But anyway, I got this, and I got them in 2 different sizes, because I wasn't sure which one I was gonna need, so I just got both of them. I picked up, and that was Butterick 6858. I picked up Butterick 6886. I thought that was cute. It is rated as easy, and I just thought this would be cute to do for the Project Dresser Girl, which I'm behind, because I should have did at least one dress last month, but I didn't. I'll get to it. Now, here are the Vogue patterns that I picked up. I am in love with this shirt so much. This is Vogue 1845. This is beautiful. This is rated as average, but I love this. Excuse me. I think this would really complement my shape. I love that. I love everything about it, and I'm going to make it, and I don't care how long it takes. I might have to break it down to a week and do a little bit each day, but this is so pretty. Again, this is Vogue 1845. I purchased this for this option right here, and this is Vogue 1992. but either one would work. This is rated as advanced. I picked up this because I hope I have a hard time with pants with pleats in the front, and I was just wondering what this style pants would be better, just the way I'm shaped in the front with my pouch that I have in the front. It just looks funny sometimes, and I think that was part of the problem with that new look pattern that I did with the cow print wide leg pants. It's just that those pleats are just not for my tummy area and the way I'm shaped. But I purchased this because I was like, well, if this works, then this just could be a pattern for my pants, my shorts right here that I need. And I thought, I mean, the variety, it's only, first of all, it's a pattern, and they chopping it up in different sections, basically it. But if it's a good fit, this is a good option to have in my collection. So I could do various things with it. You know, they did capris, they did shorts, they did the short shorts, they did the long pants. So I thought this was nice. Vogue 9189. And last but certainly not least, I have been wanting this pattern and just been waiting for it to go on sale. And I just finally broke and got it. This is Vogue 1990, and I love this. I know when I was watching the upcoming, you know, the fashion shows or what was coming in 2024, it's almost like they were taking a suit and making it into a dress, and this is it. This is the look I have been looking for, because I had a coat pattern that I was going to use to try to make into a dress. But this works right here. Beautiful. 1990. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We have a good time over here learning how to sew together. All right, guys, remember, you are so special to me. And thank you to everybody who reached out and checked on me. I am feeling much better. Today is a good day, and we're going to embrace the days that we have, that good or bad, we're still here. So have a good week, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.